Hello, let's say you have a conveyor belt and it has a filtering system determining between good standing versus faulty products. We're going to build a simple program to count the number of goods, and for the faulty products, we'll make a warning light turn on when X amount of products have passed through. Starting off, drag out 2 discrete inputs and 1 discrete output. The 2 inputs are your sensors, and the output will be your warning light. First, we'll build a good product counter. For this, you'll get the up-down counter from the second tab labeled Control, and then get the LCD display from the HMI COM tab. Connect the current value from the up-down counter to the value input on the LCD display. Double-click on the LCD display under the User option. On the right side, you'll see a bunch of options for different types of display times. We want max numbers, then click OK. We'll also need a constant on node for the LCD display. Under the Prog tab, drag the icon with the blue number 1 and attach it to the LCD display node. Then link one of your discrete inputs to the counting on the up-down counter. Let's simulate. Remember, if you can't see the front panel, go to Window and select Front Panel. Now that the front panel is showing, we can deactivate the first input several times to see if the counter is working. It's working, so let's build the faulty product warning light feature. Back to Edit mode, we'll use the same up-down counter node that is found in the Control tab again, or simply copy and paste the existing one. Connect the second input to the down counting on the up-down counter node. In the Control tab, drag out the Comparison of 2 Values node. Double-click into the Comparison node, then click the Less Than and Equal To button. Take the current value from the up-down counter node to the value 1 on the Comparison node. For value 2, we'll use a numerical constant node. In the Prog tab, drag a numerical constant node, then double-click into it. For the value of the constant, you can set it to any number you like, but this is the number of how many bad products pass through the sensor. In this example, we'll set it to -5. Then link this node to the value 2 on the Comparison node. From the Comparison node, link it to the discrete output. Let's simulate. Now that the warning light is active, just thought about it, we would need a way to reset the warning light after someone has checked the machine instead of turning off the machine. So back into Edit mode, go to the HMI COM tab and drag the B button, then link it to the up-down counter node like so. Let's simulate. I hope you learned something from this video. Comment down below. What would you like me to explain next? I look forward to making more PLC videos soon.